So this is a nice silhouette of a pelican and 3 fishermen. Wow. No. One fisherman's given up. And where's the pelican off to? Pelican's just hanging around. Squatting. Yeah, he's squatting. Is he catching something? No, he's just watching. He's watching the fishermen. No, the pelican's given up. Pelicans decided to go elsewhere. Find your fish elsewhere, pelican. It's better to find a pelican else. Okay, is he squatting? Is he squatting? Oh, look at the... Oh, yes, he's squat. Has he caught a fish? No, I don't think so. No, I don't think he's caught a fish, but he's going to try again, I suspect. Oh, well. Where are you off to now? He's gone behind the rocks. Gorgeous sunset there, and there he is. Yes, let's see if there's any fish for you around this side of Nelson Bay. Yep, you're gonna catch... Oh! Try again. Try again and see if you catch any fish.